we, the people, na nagbigay ng mandato dito sa administrasyon na ito, dito sa presidenteng ito, have all the right to ask the president whether or not addictus benedictus siya o hindi. It is the duty of the president to remove that doubt from our minds so that we could stay confident na nasa matinong kaisipan ang presidente. The people have the right to ask. Okay? Ngayon, kung iniisip ninyo na kailangan kami ang magpatunay, bakit pa kayo hihingi ng hair follicle test? Kung kami rin lang naman pala magpapatunay, tanga ka ba, Auntie Claire? Si Auntie Claire naman, I mean, yung mga ganitong salita, seryoso lang ako, Auntie Claire, sorry, Auntie Claire, but I have to be very, very serious about this because you are on your official function, no? And saying this bullshit. And pasensya na, I really have to to deal with this seriously. Kasi nagtuturo ka rin ng mali sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Na as if we are in a court setting at hindi kami pwedeng magtanong. Huwag mo kaming pinuputang ina. Okay, wala tayo sa korte. Ang hinihingi namin dito ay katibayan at karapatan ng taong bayan na malaman whether or not the president is in perfect shape. Na hindi siya addictus benedictus. Okay? There are so many badges. May PIDEA leaks. May testimony ni Nikki Cositeng. Merong mga kwento ni Cathy Binag. Merong pulveron video. It is not as if yung pulveron video lang yung nagsasabi at nagtuturo na itong presidenteng to ay addictus benedictus. Dumugo pa yung bibig ni BBM nung nakaraang araw. Nakitaan pa siya ng powdery substance nung kamakailan. There are just so many badges that the president is addictus benedictus. And all you need to do is to remove that doubt from the mind of the people. And that is the obligation of the president.